Hello everyone, just spend 3 minutes to the daily current affairs test. Here you can get the daily current affairs questions with key and explanation. The first question is, which one of the following measures lead to the efficient use of your dam? Increase the gap between irrigation potential created and irrigation potential used. The gap between irrigation potential created and irrigation potential used should not be equal. Bring down the gap between irrigation potential created and irrigation potential used. And none of these. The answer is C. You should bring down the gap between irrigation potential created and irrigation potential used. It was in the news due to the renovation work on the Hirakud Dam 2 days ago. The major objective of the project is to make water available in Thailand by minimizing water losses and maximizing efficiency of canal irrigation system. So the renovation would help bring down the gap between irrigation potential created and irrigation potential used. Okay. It will lead to the efficient use of the water. Second question. Sompan tribes are living in options: Lakshadweep, Nicobar, Assam, Ladakh. The answer is B. Nicobar. Sompan tribes are the Mongoloids racial group people. They are living in the Nicobar Island. They are just 229 members are living. They are in the news because developmental project work is have been planned in the Nicobar Island. So in May 2024, 7 of them voted in the general election amid a contentious plan to develop a transshipment container terminal, port and solar power plant and the Great Nicobar Island. The developmental project may affect their habitat and the basic needs of the life. So environmentalists oppose for these projects. So it was in the news. That question. This species is considered endangered. The surviving population of this species numbers fewer than 500. The color of the species is mostly white in color and is larger and more resilient than other breeds of it. It is an important domestic animal in the semi-arid landscape of few districts in Gujarat, Saurashtra region. The species is, an article was published in the newspaper yesterday about this species. Dromedary camel, Mithun, Boral coat, Halari donkey. The answer is Halari donkey. It is a domesticated animal in this region. So in the picture, you can see this is the donkey. It is endangered also, and the population is just 500. And is more resilient than other donkey breeds, and it is an important domestic animal in the semi-arid landscape of the Jamnagar and the Dwarka districts in Gujarat, Saurashtra region. Okay. Which one of the following statements are correct? Indian law did not prohibit posthumous reproduction if the consent of a sperm or egg owner was proven. Indian law prohibits posthumous reproduction though the consent of the sperm or egg owner was proven. Indian law did not prohibit the posthumous reproduction though the consent of a sperm or egg owner was not taken. And none of these. The answer is the Indian law did not prohibit the posthumous reproduction if the consent of the sperm or egg owner was proven. The answer is A. 2 days ago, the Delhi High Court ordered a city-based hospital to release the frozen sperm of an unmarried deceased man to his parents to enable him to father a child posthumously. And the court said that. Okay. Then, which of the following statements are correct? 70% of the India's power still comes from the hydroelectric power project. India is the second largest solar module manufacturer exporting to key global markets. The answer is 2 only. First statement is wrong. 70% of the India's power still comes from the coal thermal power plants only, not from the hydroelectric power. Okay. The news is India's emergence as the second largest solar module manufacturer exporting to key global markets highlights its potential. And 70% still comes from coal, with 50 gigawatt of coal and 10 gigawatt nuclear expected by 2030. It was in the news 2 days ago. Okay. So evaluate your current affairs preparation daily using the free current affairs test available at www.geodemy.in and be productive in your preparation and save your time on the current affairs preparation daily and evaluate yourself daily. Thank you all.